Namaskar, welcome to this lesson of Learn Bharatnatyam. Today we are going to learn the concept of Jatiswaram. The word Jati represents korvai or the combinations of adavus, and Swara is musical note. So the combination of musical notes creates a tune. On that tune, we choreograph the korvais or the different patterns of adavus. It's a pure nritta sequence. The difference between nritta and nritya, I have explained it in this particular video. You can click it over here and understand the concept. So basically we have multiple ragas and different talas also. For particularly Jatiswaram, we use Rupaka Tala more than any other talas. For Jatiswaram, the treatment is different. It's more of a musical based. So the whole importance goes to the music. According to the tune, according to the music, you have to choreograph. If you really want to learn the whole Jatiswaram, then you should understand the musicality of it first and then the adavus in Taal and then learn the actual choreography. In this particular series, I am going to teach you Kalyani Raga Jatiswaram and Taal is Rupak. Rupak has 6 matras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have explained what is Tala, what is Matra, everything, Panchajati and 7 Talas, and then how we convert that into 35 Talas, all of that. So you can click the link in the description box below and learn it from them. Jatiswaram structure is like this. First, we have Pallavi, which comes several times. It really depends on how many korvais you want to perform. Then there is a small Tirmanam. Then second comes Anupallavi. It's a short version, but the swaras pattern are different. Then the next comes Charanams. This could be 2 Charanams, 3 Charanams. Some Jatiswaram has 4. So it really depends on which raga. In this particular series or on YouTube, I'm going to teach you a part of Jatiswaram. And if you really want to learn the whole Jatiswaram, again I have made the whole series. The link is in the description box below. But let's understand how the swara goes. So Pallavi goes like this. Sa ni dha pa dha ma ga re ni re sa ni re ga ma ga ma pa da ni sa. So this is a Pallavi and this repeats and it really depends on again how many korvais you are going for. Now let's learn Anupallavi. It's very important for a dancer to know exactly how the notation goes. So pay close attention, okay? If you want to learn the whole Jatiswaram, how it goes in music, also the choreography, then click the link in the description box below. I will see you with another topic, with another choreography in next lesson. Until then, keep dancing.